Get excited about the 2016 Toyota 4Runner. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Toyota infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, front fog lights, and a split folding rear seat. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.